Hello friends, today I am wearing, first of all, my SlumberPod shirt that says Eat, Sleep, Travel, Repeat. If you're familiar with a SlumberPod, it is your favorite travel blackout tent for your child in a pack and play. However, up until now, the SlumberPod was basically only recommended to be used over a pack and play or something similar that it is like manufactured to fit over safely. And today I am excited. They sent me their brand new SlumberTot. Now, I have never opened this box before. I've been waiting to do this on camera so I can real time show you everything that comes in the box, what it looks like, how easy or not easy it is to set up. I'm assuming it's going to be quite easy. Now, I'm gonna read some of the things on the back here. So it fits perfectly inside a SlumberPod. It has raised rails to keep tossing and turning kids from falling out of bed. So that's your big difference with this and just a regular air mattress. Plus, it's the size that fits with the SlumberPod. It has a carry bag, so does the SlumberPod. Can support weight up to 200 pounds, which means I can lay on this while my kids are laying on it. Just like one child is laying on it and I can cuddle them and tuck them in. Electric air pump, 7-section mattress. Provides ultimate comfort for children. Okay, oh, so like it's probably got like the bumps and I don't know, I guess we'll see what the 7-section really means. I have no idea. This is, so it's for ages 2 to 6 years old. Technically, my 8 and 10-year-olds should not be using this. They've graduated from a crib or a play yard into a toddler bed or a standard bed. So this is for your child who you can't take them on vacation with a pack and play anymore because they're probably gonna climb out of it. So you can use this in place of a pack and play and then use this on top of it. So what's inside? It comes with the air mattress, electric pump, carry bag, and a patch kit, which is always necessary. I almost feel like knowing that it's a product made for kids, probably have like 5 patch kits. On this side of the box, you can see the dimensions, which I'm not gonna read because who really cares? It's about this big by that big, yay. Let's open the box and see what it's all about. Yes, I am wearing fuzzy stripy socks and sweatpants. My kids are home from school today. Here's your repair patch and then your carry bag. It feels waterproof. It's durable. This is definitely durable. We've got the pump for it. Oh, and then it comes with, I never know why these things come with like all different sizes, but I guess we will figure it out together. Directions, more directions. Lo and behold, the actual, oh, I'm confused. Why are there more than one part? Okay. What is this? Wait, are there, what? Okay, clearly I'm gonna have to pause and read the directions because I don't know why there are 2. Is this an underlayer? Oh, this has gotta be like the underlayer where the sides come up and then maybe this part goes on top. I don't know, let's like fix the camera angle, zoom out, and I'll plug this in, blow it up, and see if I can figure it out. I'm also basically a child because before I even like read directions and do anything, I just feel this need to pop like crazy. Pop, pop, pop. Do you ever just like, ready, watch this. Wait for it, wait for it. Just do lots of popping all at once so it's like fireworks, yeah! All right, so I have the blower, the adapter, and now I'm gonna, oh, you can't see. You don't need my face, I guess. And go. Is it working? I'm gonna try a different adapter because it's like not, okay, I'm gonna try this one now, like the pointy whatever. It looks like it's starting to inflate, but it's not like fully inflating. I don't know if I just need to give it longer. Okay, I'm gonna take a break from that one. I'm gonna try this one and see, also noting that I did not read the directions. Like I just wanted to like experiment and see if I could do this without reading the directions because it's just an air mattress. Like it shouldn't be hard, right? Let's give this a go. Okay, if you look inside there, like it doesn't open. It's not open. So I'm like, am I supposed to poke a hole in this? I didn't really want to poke a hole, but I did because there's no air going in. So let's try. Okay, Okay, there has to be some sort of like user error here because brief intermission, please hold. I don't know if it's just me, but why was that harder than expected? Love me some SlumberPod, but maybe I'm just not great when it comes to learning how to do new things. I think what you have to do is like squeeze this part while you have it plugged in so that the air is actually going in, because I think they have it like designed so that once you take it out, the air is not just like rushing out of it. It's fine, you don't need to see my face, you just need to see the SlumberTot. So I, like at first, I only had it in like that much, but I think you have to like really get it in there. All right, let's try to blow this one up now. Am I just really bad at this kind of thing? Okay, this is the best that I can do for right now, but it looks like this goes in there like that. You got like your headboard, your side rails. After all of the work that it just took me to figure out how to blow that up, I am not setting up the SlumberPod to put over it because I'm done. It was a little too much work for me. However, maybe it's just me. The SlumberPod will go over this. Maybe I'll take a break and come back to it. Probably not. If you have questions about the SlumberTot, don't ask me. Send it to SlumberPod, and I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial unboxing. I'm done with it. Bye.